Namaskar. Welcome to Intermediate section of Learn Kathak Online. It's a pleasure to welcome you. I will be dealing with two aspects of Kathak where I will be challenging the students, the Nritta and the Nritya. In the technique or the Nritta section, a new tal has been introduced, a 10-beat cycle which is called Jhap tal. Jhap tal has amads, which is a stylized way of taking an entry, paran amad, which is a combination of a paran and an amad, chakardar tukras, tihais, parans, ladis, all such intrinsic classical compositions that have been passed on to me by my guru, and perhaps he received it from his guru. So through generations, these compositions have come and I'm passing it on to you. In the Nritya section, we have some taranas and some thumris and bhajans. There is one bhajan that I particularly enjoyed recording for you because it is about Radha and Krishna. How Radha was possessive about Krishna and how Meera was surrendering to Krishna. How they both share the love for Krishna in their own colors. Why? Who is going to benefit from this intermediate lesson? Let's address this issue. It's for those who have actually completed their beginner's session or those who have perhaps not done online Learn Kathak but have learned Kathak some time in the past and can quickly revisit it and be challenged for the intermediate section. Also for those who are advanced level of dancers. They may want to revisit some of the pieces that we have incorporated in the intermediate section here. I have categorically talked about safe dancing. I think that is very important because those who are now going to be doing intermediate section will want to take dance a little bit more seriously. So if you're taking something more seriously, you're putting in more resources into it, more time, more energy, you would want to be safe about it. There's no point curing an injury if you can avoid it. So there are specific lectures on how to prevent injury, or if you have injured yourself, what should you do immediately in order to control it. There are lessons on performance etiquettes, which are very important. You travel different parts of the country, different parts of the globe. What etiquettes are necessary for a performing artist? The diet issues. There are many such topics that are directly related to dance and dancers. We've made a package for you to empower you with more knowledge and to share our skill with you. We as a team from Learn Kathak Online have brought this project for you. I hope you enjoy as much as we have enjoyed making it for you. Thank you.